Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In this video I'm gonna show you how to use and how to set up newbie share on your Oukitel K13 Pro device. So firstly, you need to open control panel, enable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile data. Mobile data, yes, I have no SIM card because it's test phone, and enable location services. Then find here newbie share. If you can't find newbie share, click on the pencil button and find newbie share below. Then drag and hold and drag newbie share on the top panel. Go back and cool. Now we have newbie share here. Now click and hold on it. Wait a while. Click on the share more easily with contacts button. Scroll down. Click agree. Wait a while. Here you can change your device name. For example, I don't know, K13 Pro. Click rename. You can change device visibility mode as a mode. I suggest to use everyone mode, and you can change data usage mode. I suggest to use data mode. So cool. Now just enable newbie share and cool. Now you can share and receive data. I don't know, photos, images, files, audio files, video files using newbie share. For example, I want to share this photo to my Oukitel device. So on your device, Android device, click share button, then newbie share button. You will see here K13 Pro device. Wait a while, click on this device. Wait a while again, and click accept button on your K13 Pro device. Then just open this image using your gallery. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.